In today's video, we have a very special guest. This is my sister, Elizabeth, and she is here to be trying MoxieLash for the first time. She's never tried MoxieLash, but I've been obviously telling her all about it. She knows all about it and how it works, but she hasn't tried for herself, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity for her to try on Sibling Day, if we could ever get through this intro. So Elizabeth's tried lash extensions before, too expensive, and like, you know, with glue, we all know it's super messy, so I want to show her what is up. I'm going to open a new world for her of MoxieLash Magnetic Lashes. Okay, so we have our eyeliners. Show them yours. Cheers.
Oh, no, no.
First thing we want to do is shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. We also have our MoxieLash mirrors. Another cheers. We're going to be applying the black liquid magnetic liner today. What I like to do is open it up, and I like to kind of scrape off some of the product just so we get just a little bit, especially when like you're first starting and you don't know what you're doing yet. We have our mirrors. We're going to look down into them, and you're going to like stamp the liner across your eye, but come at it not like this. You don't want to come at it at an angle. You want to use like the flat part of the liner across your eye. Does that make sense?
Yes.
A standing mirror has been requested by Elizabeth because she needs to hold her eye in order to do eyeliner. Just apply it along the lash line, taking our time.
You have to let it dry before you...
Good question. You do. Actually, we suggest about 2 minutes. It's super important that the liner dries because otherwise the magnets won't stick correctly. Let's see.
Fix me.
Let me see. You haven't done anything wrong.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it's fine. You just need to be a little thicker. Let me see it.
With two C's.
Yeah, it just needs to be thicker. You have to imagine. So you have to like imagine what lash you're going to be wearing, and I want to put like a fun lash on you, like a bigger one, not like crazy, but like bigger one. So if you're going to be wearing like a longer lash that goes across your whole eye, you have to like make sure you go all the way across your eye with the liner and make sure that like there's enough of it there so that it will stick.
Gotcha.
You don't normally wear eyeliner, right? Yeah.
No.
So this is like, you know, of course with any kind of eyeliner, there's like a learning curve. Like you have to learn how to apply eyeliner in general. But once you understand, like once you get the hang of it, it's so easy. Just like, shout. I honestly think it's not bad. And what's awesome about the liner is even if it's like a little bumpy, maybe you're not super comfortable with liner yet, the lashes are going to do all the work for you. So you don't have to worry. They're going to look amazing.
Last time I wore eyeliner like this was like 7th grade. And I'd re-put it on after gym class because we couldn't shower for some reason.
Gross. I'm going to fix her liner just a little bit, just so it's not so bumpy. But the more she practices this, the better she'll be at the liner part. The lashes part, very easy. We're about to see that one. And now we're going to, of course, let our liner
dry.
Yeah, dry. Let it dry so that we can apply our lashes correctly. We're fanning. We're fanning. We're not going to slap her face with this mirror because I've done that before.
I've like you're getting kind of close.
Taken off my nose a couple times. So also while we are waiting for the liner to dry, we're going to apply some mascara. And we also want that to be dry too before we apply our lashes. So this is the perfect time to apply it. Here we go. Just as much as you feel like. I would just put like a light layer for you because Elizabeth is going to be wearing Cheeky Lash, and I'm gonna wear Batty. Okay, so Elizabeth is gonna be wearing Cheeky Lash. Here you go. Yep. Let's show the people. I'm wearing Batty, so here's our lashes. So Elizabeth's are like a little accent lash. Start her off a little smaller, a little slower. Mine are fun, and I love them. So what we're gonna do is take them out of the packaging. I like to use my fingers. Sometimes I use the applicator too. Whatever is easiest for you, but let's use our fingers for this time. Okay, so we take it out, we grab our mirror. All right, here we go. Are you ready? I'm gonna let you go first.
Do you just put it on the end?
Yeah, it should just snap right on. Let me see. Yeah, it's on there. Don't block your face.
It's hugging my eye.
Beautiful! Looks good. What do you think?
Really easy.
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
And someone's just like, wow,
Well, they
those
look
are
like
some...
they could be mine.
Yeah. I'm gonna put mine on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, bam.
Wow.
So easy.
Magic.
I'm still impressed.
They were very easy and fun.
Very fun. Like, could you wear them every day?
I could.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, especially those ones, they're super, like, you know.
Natural.
Yeah, light on the ends and, like, very, you know.
It doesn't feel like you're wearing fake lashes.
No. Like, you can barely
You can't
notice
even feel
them.
them.
Yeah, and you can just take them off, like, change them, do whatever you want. So, is your life changed?
It is.
It is. Yeah, good. Okay.
It is.
Great. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun, a little bit different. We're trying to entertain you guys while in quarantine, okay? Thank you to Elizabeth, of course, for joining us and doing this video for Siblings Day. Super fun. Very sibling-like. We basically been sitting on top of each other for the last like 30 minutes. So this is as close to her as I want to get ever.
Same.
Before you go, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos, because we do fun things like this here and people try new things and it's fun. Anyway, we'll see you guys in our next video. Well, I'll see you. She won't. Bye! Oh. We clearly have a very special guest.
Was I supposed to say my
No.
name? Should I say my name?
No, I will do it.
So I'm just gonna sit here. Okay. This is Siblings Day. Please say everything, and I'm just gonna be like,
okay, miming.
Dude, I can't.
Elizabeth.
I'm so sorry.
I don't want to do this forever.
I don't want to do this
We're
at all.
What has your experience with like regular lashes, like glue-on lashes or lash extensions, like been with those? Like,
Wait,
if you've
I'm
tried
sorry. I need you to just ask one question at a time. I can't. I literally was just thinking about the lash extension answer, so I can't do both. I can't.
Right, chill out. Chill. Okay.
Do I have to do both eyes?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, unless you want to look weird. No. Careful, your liner.
I know. I tried to not close my eyes, but it's impossible.
What do you think about these lashes?
They are... Stop looking at me! Because it's going to be like, bye!